Hey, what's up guys? It's been a couple of days since I've spoken to you, and I wanted to express my appreciation. Thank you guys so much for all of the kind words and the support on the last video that I put up. If you don't know what's going on, I had a bit of a minor surgery on Monday. It had a lot more of an impact on me than I thought it was going to. The majority of that is behind me at this point. I'm able to sit upright again, as you can see. I'm still not pain-free, but I haven't been on painkillers. I think I took one total. The doctor gave me a bottle of them and I just haven't needed them really. I haven't bothered to take them. But anyway, what I wanted to talk to you guys about today is a blog post that I saw on the Google blog. And it's something that I thought was kind of interesting and kind of not really Linux related, but it's sort of a non-Microsoft thing. Basically, as you know, Google has been around in the search business for years and years now, and Microsoft has only recently got into the game with the Bing search engine. Apparently, since Microsoft started Bing, Google has been sort of leery about it. They've been concerned, I guess. Maybe not convinced that Google is being, or that Microsoft is being entirely honest about it. So, within the last few months, Google has been doing some testing, and I'm fuzzy on the specifics here, so you'll have to forgive me. I've read the article through one time thoroughly. Basically, Google, like I said, they suspected Bing was copying some of their results, so they put in a false result. So when you put in this random string of characters, it was like, I'll have an image of it, of course, you would return this one result, and then like a possible other spelling suggestion, that's what it was. A really far-off misspelling of this one certain medical term, I think is what it was. And it would return the correct spelling, which it was really far off, but Google can do that, and it would return the correct spelling and a bunch of results. Well, they noticed that when you went to Bing and typed in the exact same thing, rather than giving you the option of, this is what you might have meant, it just returned that first result, the same as Google did. Well, they decided to test it again. They did that other word, the I'm sorry, I don't know the words exactly. They're random characters. And they gave it one result. They manually specified it in the Google database. This is what the result will be. We're just testing this. They tried it out, I think, on a couple of engineers' laptops, and then suddenly Bing had the same result in it. Suspicious, yes. Coincidental, maybe. So they tried it again with a bevy of other queries. They gave it a bunch of things where they would put entries into the Google database with random strings of characters, like a couple of words strung together with the number 40 after it, and give it one certain result, and then search on these engineers' laptops running Windows with Bing toolbar and Bing as the search engine, and after so long, these search queries would end up in Bing every time. So that's leading Google to believe, and I don't know if there's any sort of litigation going on, or if Google's maybe just pointing the finger and saying, you know, ha ha ha, you're having to copy us. But either way, I just find it very interesting that their results are showing that, you know, if we put in something and then Microsoft sees it, they're grabbing it. Really, I just found it to be a very interesting story, and I was curious what you guys thought about it. So, basically, what do you think about the idea of other search engines directly pulling results off of the big guy, of the big brother out there? I think it can seem to be a little bit dishonest, but I do seem to remember a time where a lot of the search engines really played on each other long time ago, long before Google. I'm really starting to show my age here. But like I said, just let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Do you think it's maybe a little bit underhanded that Bing might be pulling some of their results from Google, or a lot of their results from Google, especially when they've done so many targeted ad campaigns saying how much better they are than Google, basically that overwhelmed with with search results, try Bing instead and you'll get the actual answer that you want. But when the answer you want is the same one that Google's giving you, because Google's giving them the answer, who's really in the right? Let me know what you think about that in the comment section below. Again, thank you guys so much for all the creative, the wonderful comments, the support during this rough time for me. Again, I don't really want to go into specifics as to what was going on, just needless to say, hopefully this problem I've been having will be taken care of. Hopefully I won't have to have anything else like this done again, because, yeah, it's not fun. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've been having a great week. I'm going to try to jump back into the This Week in Linux thing, and I've got plans. I've got big plans. Maybe moving in a different direction, but staying in the same direction, but doing things a little differently, but sound the same. This is not medicine talking. I'm completely unmedicated, aside from antibiotics. I've not had any sort of energy drinks today. I'm in a pretty good mood. Had a really good night with my son. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful night, just like I am, and I will talk to you again very soon.